So hello everyone, welcome back again. So here I had solved square lamina, but in the next lecture I'll skip directly to the isometric problems and then we'll move on to the actual other problems like development, solids and other shapes in planes also. The only shape left in planes are what is that not only shapes but there are quite a few shapes left that is hexagon, pentagon, circle. Okay, and rectangle also, but I won't be doing rectangle because it's quite similar to square. So in isometric, we have dimensions like iso dimension, etc., etc. But every time whenever you draw isometric, okay, so there are some problems given in isometric. For everything, first you need a baseline. Let it be anything. That's not a problem. Now, since this is a baseline, we'll start with the center point of this baseline. So let us start with an example of isometric where we are drawing a cube. Okay, so they say a cube of all the sides of 30 mm. So if I so basically your isometric sheet is kind of a little different, but if you have to do in software, you will have to remember two angles, that is 30° and 150°. So always, no matter what you do, so since you were asked to do, so I will take 25 for now because I have zoomed in, so 25 is best. So I'll take 25 as your length and I'll give 30°. Okay, I hit enter, then I'll take again 25, hit enter, and then I'll take 150°, hit enter, then again 25, enter, minus 150°, enter. Okay, so 25, enter, and I'll join it to this place, minus 30°. Okay, so now I also need the height. Okay, so I have to take the height of again 25, but it will actually join at the same place. Now here, from here 25, 90°, from here 25, 90°. You can what you can do, right? Once you draw this, you can simply copy paste again. So again 25. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll select this move option, copy is on, so I'll take this. Okay, it selected every point, so I'll select only this much. Okay, from here I'll put it here. See, done. So now what I have to do, press escape, press control. So see, this is my visible lines, right? So I'm seeing from the front side. So top face is always visible, all the lines in the top are visible. Okay, now I'll change the width to 0.4, hit enter. Now I cannot leave it as it is, I have to select this inside, three lines are there, right? I have to select that and I have to change the type of the line into hidden lines. And hidden lines, uh, okay, this was not selected. So it is selected, but it was copied again. Okay, fine. If I press escape and tab and delete this, okay, array. Hey, what happened? Control Z. So again, I have to select the style as this, and here it should be 0.35 mm. Hit enter. Over. So now you have to do the dimension. So whenever you take this dimension, right? Uh, if you keep here, if you write this, yeah, I think you have to type here ISO 25. Hit enter. So ISO is invalid. So somewhere you have to adjust the thing. So here you can simply select and leave it off. But you have to actually when you do in the problem, you have to type ISO 25 itself. So this is 30°, and here also you have to show 30°. Namings, just give it. So this was a simple problem, right? It was quite simple, and I don't think okay, you have to write namings also for this. Naming is quite easy, right? So whatever you do, where is the naming thing? This one. So here A B C D if you do. So see here, oh, it's too big. I'll take point 2. This point 2 is enough. Okay. See here, if you take A, oh, its caps is on. A, B here, C here. If you write D, D is not visible. Okay. So D comes in bracket. Same way here, C dash. Here D dash is visible, right? So I won't write it in bracket. So here it is B dash, and here I'll put A dash. Okay. So I have done the namings also. Much is not required in this. Sorry if my voice was actually what to say low, but this is very easy, right? It's quite easy, so you can do this aram se if asked for you. Okay. Sometimes depending on the problem, you might also need to mention O here. O is nothing but the center of the this cube. So that you have to mention something. So see here it is there, right? The center. Here you can put O, and here you can put O dash in the bracket. So this was the basic problem for isometric. In next problem, we will be solving multiple types of isometric problems, but very fast. Okay, so it's very fast. I'll just show you how to do it and finish. There is another problem in which you will be adding a circle over here. They'll just mention the diameter, or they'll give you the radius. Depending on that, you have to select that what to say, convert the radius into diameter, and then do the calculations. It's very simple. I'll let you know in the next problem.